On September 8th and 9th, the MFNERC Language and Cultures Department held a Fall Institute. During this two-day event, staff participated in various land-based cultural and traditional activities. One of the highlights was a workshop on making ribbon skirts and shirts, which combined cultural teachings with sewing skills. Staff tailored their garments to reflect their own beliefs and traditional practices. Alan Keeper, the cultural facilitator, chose the color of his ribbons to represent his Cree culture.
The yellow represents the sun, the vision, in the morning time, asking for a good day. But that's yellow. Blue, I said it was like for water. Our bodies are made out of water.
Over the course of the 2 days at Camp Manitou, participants dedicated themselves to creating their ribbon shirts and skirts. For some, it was their first experience using a sewing machine. Carrie Fontaine, Jasmine Flett, Ezarah Ewanchuk, and Bonnie Monias offered their sewing expertise and shared helpful tips with the attendees. At the end of the Fall Institute, everyone had the opportunity to showcase their ribbon skirts and shirts in a fashion show. Here are the results.